Local SEO strategy, the first step to double your search engine traffic. Many businesses turn to SEO to compete with large brands. This is probably the best place to fight the market share of large international brands. However, many businesses get the first step wrong. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. If you want to win market share from your big international competitor, the first step is local SEO. Less technical and resource hungry than its international cousin, Local SEO Strategy will help you double your traffic in no time. It will also set you up with a strong footing to upgrade to international SEO, or why not go local in the next area of your choice. Here are 3 reasons why local SEO strategies boost your business visibility. Local SEO strategy will boost your visibility. When you optimize for local results in search engines, you will immediately start ranking more highly for local searches, including your keywords. Google and other search engines will serve you to people looking for something locally. This can help people find your online and visit your business or e-shop in no time. Your vicinity to the person searching will boost your clout with Google, and you will start being ranked more highly for people in the geographical area you are targeting. SEO will get you more walk-in traffic. If your product or services requires a face-to-face experience, you're in luck. If you optimize your website for SEO to rank locally for mobile searches, you will be in a great position to attract people to your business. According to Google, up to 70% of people who search on mobile are looking to make a purchase right away. When you SEO your local presence, you will appear in those searches and directly get more walk-in traffic. Local optimization strategy. One of the strategies that help you rank locally is getting a business listing and telling Google specifically what you are about. And by specifically, we mean using your keywords. When you tell Google what your business is about and where it can be found by creating a Google business profile, you are helping Google understand your website. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at Local SEO How to Win. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.